In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an admin panel with a low-code platform and Firebase. We'll start by choosing a low-code platform like Retool or Buddabase. Create an account and sign in so you can access the builder. These platforms are great because they let you assemble powerful tools using drag-and-drop components and a few well-placed queries without having to wire everything from scratch. Next, set up your Firebase project. In the Firebase console, create a new project if you don't already have one. Then head to Project Settings and open the Service Accounts tab. Generate a new private key, which downloads a JSON file to your computer. This file authenticates your admin panel to Firebase, so keep it safe and never share its contents publicly or commit it to source control. We'll pull the project ID and the key data from this file in a moment. Now connect Firebase to your low-code platform. Create a new resource or integration and select Firebase. Most platforms ask for the project ID and the contents of the private key JSON. Carefully paste only what the form requires. When that's in place, use the built-in test or verify button to confirm the connection. A successful test means the platform can securely talk to your Firebase project. With the connection ready, design your admin panel UI. Use drag-and-drop components like tables to display data, text boxes, and forms to create or edit entries, and buttons to trigger actions. Many platforms can detect your data structure and even offer templates for common tasks such as browsing collections or managing users. Keep your layout simple and consistent. A table for listing data, a form for editing or creating, and a panel or modal for confirmations. Next, create the queries that power your UI. Define operations such as get collections, update document, and delete document, pointing each one to your Firebase data. Link these queries to your components. Connect the table to a list documents query, and so it shows live data, wire your edit, and create forms to update or insert document queries, and attach delete buttons to a delete document query with a confirmation step. It helps to name queries clearly so you can reuse them across components. Finally, keep everything in sync by configuring actions to run after changes. For example, when an item is added or updated, automatically rerun the list documents query so the table refreshes immediately. This simple loop keeps your admin panel responsive and trustworthy. That's it. You've connected a low-code platform to Firebase, built a clear interface, and wired queries to manage your data in real time.